Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain, I think you have seen this right, and it is very rare plant which is also called as queen of climbers. Wow, how great and beautiful our God's thoughts are. Looking at plants, we can say this. Seriously, it is eye-catching beauty of the plants. And you see how beautiful it is. Our flowers, wow, that too in white will be available, and these plants will be these many varieties. But yesterday I have been to my sister's place. There they're maintaining garden, and after seeing this flowers and this plant, I really feel like doing the video on this. And seeing this only, it is so beautiful. But if we know more about this plant, let's start the video now. Okay, and this is found in the Asia, which belongs to buttercup family. This can grow 6 to 15 feet tall. Wow, if it is growing so tall, obviously we can call this as queen of climbers, right? The bigger the plant and the faster it will settle. These plants may be planted at any time during the growing season, right? Growing season, if you plant, it will grow very faster and settle faster. Given something to climb on, or it can be a wooden, or it can be a metal, or it can be a garden structure, small tree, you can make of any shapes. Such a beautiful plant it is. During the first growing season, your new clematis should be watered whenever the weather is dry. Around the base, you have to it flowers from late spring to early summer, providing an early dose of fragrance which is similar to the scent of almonds, scent that carries a long distance. This blooms in early March, so that it gives lot of fragrance, which really I enjoyed after going there with that scent. It is awesome, guys. I could not explain this in words. That much I was happy yesterday after watching that plant. And coming to this proper caring, actually this in India we will call this as Clematis Goriana. And proper caring for this, preferred sunny locations, at least 6 hours of sun needed for blooming, but the soil should be kept cool. This also can be recognized as a medicinal herb. In traditional medicines they are using it. Clematis is used for joint pain, headaches, bone disorders, and ongoing skin conditions, to treat infected wounds and ulcers. So when we have so many uses of this plant, and to see it is so beautiful, which it was really an eye-catching situation which I felt after going so near to that plant. And it was really beautiful, and we have to maintain in such a manner it will grow like anything. And you should feel the fragrance. If you really have any plants near you, please just go and watch that and how you feel. And that evening I've been, so for that weather and for that plant, I really feel like being there for some more time. But unfortunately I have to come back home. I have a son, so I have to take care of him, so I just came back soon. But really, this, you look at the way it is, the flower also, we could not describe the beauty of the God. Seriously, God's creation is really great, which we cannot justify. This will be the limit, but more beautiful flowers are also there. But I have not, till now I have not seen this type of completely. It will be filled with in the spring season, the blooming season, you have to see it will be filled with completely with the flowers. Okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.